Hi, welcome back. So we're in Chapter 3, Descriptive Analysis on the Study of Central Tendency. We have looked at all the possible tools that can help you to capture central tendency of your variable x that have number of subjects. We've looked at the mean, the median, the mode, and the proportion. As we always started by categorizing a variable x in terms of the type of a scalar, we've looked at two particular types. We categorize as a continuous, or we categorize it as a discrete. Now, intuitively, we've seen that if it happens that your scalar to be continuous, using any of those tools, all of them for capturing central tendency, it's possible and intuitive. And also we've seen if it happens that your scalar to be a discrete scalar, then the use for median, mode, or proportion to capture the central tendency of this vector, it's more intuitive. Last but not least, I wanted to show you when these values, the mean, the median, and the mode, comes together on the study of central tendency, it can give you intuition about the kind of a distribution, how your data has been distributed. Now, there are three scenarios. Imagine all the subject values on variable x. I'm going to lay them in a horizontal scale here, and in the y I will just put the count. If it happens that the mean for all the subject, this value here, if it happens also to be the median, the same value, this is the mode as well. In this case, you could have a perfect shape we call the symmetric shape, and it takes the bell-shaped famous distribution curve. Your x bar, the mean, it's just equal to your median, it's just equal to your mode. There is alternative scenario. Imagine in this case here, you got your mean somewhere around here, and then you got your median below it, and you got your mode below it. In other words, you got your x bar to be larger than your median, and your median, of course, is going to be larger than your mode. This case, we call it a positive skew. Now, alternative case is this case. That means when x bar is less than your median and the median is less than the mode, we call this as a negative skew. That was the study of the central tendency. So far, we accomplished the distribution, and now we have the central tendency. So we got two tools that help us to understand the behavior of this variable. Now we left to see one more powerful tool. That is the study or the tool of dispersion. I will see you then.